Thank you. Okay, let's get started. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Neidal Online. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for the support that you have been providing us. We are extremely happy with the kind of response that you have been receiving for all our videos, and that encourages us to do better. Thank you so much for your wonderful support. For new viewers who have just joined for the first time, we would like to give a small introduction about ourselves. We are into this business for the last 7 years. We have been selling salwar materials, kurtis, and saris online for the last 7 years under our website www.neidal.com. We post collection every single day on our website around 11:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Around the same time, we also post one of our videos on our YouTube channel, Neidal Online. So that is our regular pattern. So you can buy our products only from our website, neidal.com. And we have our Facebook page, Insta page, as well as YouTube channel under the name Neidal Online. So please follow us for regular updates. And people who have not our subscribers who are just joined, please subscribe our channel so that you will get notification and you get to see the latest collections. So on our website, we accept all kinds of online payment, credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm, Google Pay. All types of online payments are accepted. We don't have a COD feature. We do free shipping all over India. So irrespective of any location within India, we actually ship it, and we actually use DTDC courier and speed post for our logistic as our logistic service. And the collections that you are going to see today is actually a sneak peek of what's going to come for the next 1 week. So an elaborate video about each of this will be coming up every day as usual. So this is just to give an idea of how the collections will be, what collections you are going to see for the next 1 week. Okay. Apart from this, there are a lot more collections that we will be posting every day. Regular customers will know like how we operate, but for people who have newly joined, you will not be knowing. So that's the reason why I'm repeating this. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm going to do now is I will not be opening the entire product. I'll be showing you some part of the product. Okay, and the cost and description will be revealed only at the on the actual video. So this is just a sneak peek. Okay, so let's get started with this design. Is my audio clear again? Yes. Is my audio clear? Hello, is my audio clear? What district? We are from Chennai. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mithran Dental. Thank you so much. Thank you. So our first design, we have two colors in this design. Okay, one is blue color. The fabric is satin cotton. It has a kalamkari patchwork. It has pipe and French knot work on the front side, and it has cotton kalamkari printed cotton bottom and cotton dupatta with jari weaving. You can see the silver jari weaving. So this is blue color. This is how it looks. Yes. And the other color is black. Black with yeah. Okay. Our next design has three colors. This is of silk cotton material. So the first color is this one. It has a patch, digital patch with sequins and thread work on the yoke. Cotton bottom and digital printed silk cotton dupatta. You can see there is a stitch work as well as sequence work. The next color is brown. Thank you, Aarti Sampath. Thank you so much. The third one is of green color. Bottom. Dupatta. Digital printed dupatta. Soft silk cotton. Digital printed dupatta. Sequence and thread work. Okay. Our next design is a 5-color chart. It has 5-color chart. This is also again silk cotton. So this has a texture, self thread work as well as an embroidery pattern on the yoke. So something like this on the yoke. Silk cotton bottom, pink silk cotton dupatta with the embroidery work. It also has tassels. This is the first color. The color is kind of cream. Same pink color bottom and dupatta with thread work. Third color is purple and green. Green color. The fourth color is blue and navy blue. This kind of green and navy blue, sorry, but in camera it looks like blue, but it's actually green. The last color is brown. Brown with beige. Okay. So more details about the products will be shared on actual videos, which will be coming next week every day. So next design is of silk cotton with Banaras weaving dupatta. It has 4 colors. The first color is pink. It has French knot work and fox mirror work on the yoke, and fox mirror work on the front side as well. It has Banaras weaving dupatta, silk cotton dupatta. The second color is again peach one, peach and green combo. Blue and pink. The fourth color is green and peach. Is the video clear? Is the video clear? The next design is this one. You have 4 colors in this. This is again soft silk cotton, kantha stitch, stem stitched work on the front. It also has a patchwork on yoke, cotton bottom. It has a silk cotton dupatta. Both print and it has stitch work, stem stitch work. The green ones that you see here is actually stitch. I'm not sure how it is appearing to you. Stitch. These are all thread work. Yellow, kind of mehendi yellow. I'll just open one dupatta for you so that you'll have an idea. The yoke design varies for every suit. This is the last color. The next design, this design has 4 colors. Red yoke work, this has a yoke work, thread and foil mirror work, and then crushed dupatta, Bani printed crushed dupatta. Yellow color, crushed dupatta. This also has tassels, some fancy tassels, a taping. Next color is pink. It has pink bottom and bandhani printed crushed dupatta. Next one is blue. Blue bottom, dupatta. It's actually satin cotton. Top is satin cotton. Bottom is cotton and dupatta is crushed bandhani dupatta. Next design is this soft silk cotton. So very soft silk cotton with the yoke patch work, which has embroidery work. Just show you the dupatta. Dupatta is very pretty. Digital printed dupatta, very soft. Next color is kind of cream. I'll show you the dupatta now. Yes, this is how the dupatta looks for this digital printed soft silk cotton. kind of yellowish green. Last color is this blue one, light blue. Very soft. And the last design for today is this one. This has work on the yoke, just below the yoke part, mirror work, gota work, pearl work and pipe work, and then there's a cotton bottom and soft silk cotton dupatta with jari butta. We have 4 colors in this. Yellow and kind of magenta pink. Third one is beige and it has a red color dupatta. The fourth one is green. Red. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. We will be posting videos, elaborate videos on each of these materials in coming week, and you can buy them on our website needle.com. Apart from these products, we will also be posting other collections as well. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thank you.